Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do letter casing in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for WordPress.com and then log into your WordPress account. And this is the interface you're going to see over here. After that, here you can see a quick links option and here's the edit site option below it. Click on the edit site option and it will directly take you to the editors page of WordPress. After you have reached the editors page of WordPress, you're gonna look for the paragraph or the text you want to change the letter casing of. Just select the paragraph and here on the right hand side you can see a styles option over here. Click on the styles option and here we are going to look for the typography option. Over here click on the typography option and here you can see the font sizes. Here according to your needs you can actually select the sizes of the fonts and adjust your letter casing. And after you are done with selecting all the fonts and letter casing, you can just click on save and your actions will be saved. And this is how you use letter casing in WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.